Welcome back to another X-PLORE video. We are Brandon and Chloe, the founders of X-PLORE. We share a profound love for the great outdoors and enjoy exploring in our VW T5 camper with our bunny Doug. We started out with a not-so-trusted tent and a Mark IV Golf, and when COVID hit, we bought and converted this VW panel van into our dream camper, which has allowed us to up our adventure game and explore on a whole new level. We also love taking on new projects and challenges. Our standout one to date was when we bought, converted and raffled this custom Caddy Maxi camper. So join us on our journey of discovery as we share our adventures with you, take on new challenges and have a whole load of fun while doing so. Hello and welcome back to another video. So this video is a little bit of van TLC. So we've had a slight issue with our boost. So we've got a leak with the boost basically. I believe we've had a light come on our dash now as well, a warning light for this one. And it is noticeable, like when you're driving down the road, the boost basically kind of doesn't work. So we believe it's the intercooler, as it is a mess. The current one is, I will show you it. But yeah, let's go out now. I will show you the, we've got the van jacked up. I will show you the current intercooler and also the new one, and we'll do a little comparison as well so you can see the difference. I think it's quite an easy job. Brandon's just getting the bumper off the front of the van now. But yeah, let's head outside and I'll show you. Okay, so just head through the shed. Excuse all the mess, currently renovating, so it's a little bit chaotic. So we've got the van jacked up now, just trying to get the bumper off. And if I show you through here, just so you can see how, I don't know if I can show you. So I don't know if you can quite see, but basically it's this one here. And you can see it's got a massive, it's kind of bulging, it's got a big arch on the top, so it's kind of sticking up here. We'll get a better look at it when we get the bumper off, but I'll show you the new one now because it's super shiny. Let's come back in here, let's put some lights on. So here we have the new one. So as you can see, it's nice, it's level, these are parallel, they're all in line. There's no, you know, it's all kind of symmetrical. And the main thing is that it's the sides are parallel to each other. Nice. But yeah, so it's a pretty easy job, isn't it? What we've got, just to take the bumper off and then
change the parts, put it all back together.
Change the parts, yeah, put it back together. And then hopefully the boost should be working. But anyway, while Brandon's doing that, I'm gonna go make a brew. Let's go. Cheers. So we've never actually had the bumper off. We got the facelift kit done by a guy near Liverpool actually. We kind of paid for it and had it installed by this guy. I think that's the only thing we've had done by somebody else. So we're kind of winging it, getting it off. I feel like it's all right getting it off, but it's getting it back on, isn't it? Bending it in the right place, and you're just worried that you're going to snap something because it's all plastic. And the other thing is, are all the screws going to go back in? More than often, like, do you remember when we had the Mark IV Golf?
Every time we took it apart, there'd be a pot of screws.
Yeah. Every time, well, we must have took it apart, what, 10 times at least? Yeah. And we just had a pot of screws. But it luckily still stayed together somehow. So, just watched a little bit of YouTube to figure out how to get the bumper off. And I think we're nearly there. So we've just got 3 bolts left underneath, which Brandon's taken off now. And then there's a couple of bolts in here. And then apparently it comes off. So it turned out there's no bolts in these for us. But you found another bolt, haven't you? another couple underneath. Just here.
Attaching that.
Yeah.
Attaching that to that. I think.
That's the only problem with not installing it ourselves. You don't know, do you?
That's why I've actually everything myself.
Exactly.
Then if you need it, aftermarket as well.
Yeah, that's true.
So you've not necessarily got all the factory fittings. It's been made to fit an older body kit.
But I think once you've took these ones off, it should come off the way it was looking. God, that looks bad from this angle.
True.
I heard something drop off. Ah, a washer.
Plastic stuff.
Oh. Don't you feel like when you get the bumper off, they look so poorly?
I'll just go spot that in for me. Oh, nice, I like that.
So you thought it was bad when I showed you it here. It was bowing and it's got some slight damage. But let me zoom out. Look at the state of it. So if I come down here, let me just... So you can see it's bowing way worse underneath. So it's just expanded, and the damage here. Oh, look at that. This is how it's supposed to be. And this is all the damage here. Which explains a lot why we've got an issue with our boost. And it's also got some leaking going on as well. So let's get that out. So we just took out the 2 screws here and here. And that should be it to get it out.
Just these clips.
That should be it.
Should be it.
Woof. Should we take it in the shed?
That is what we call knackered. I'll line them back up here if you want.
Yeah.
There shouldn't be oil in there either.
All right, hang on. Are you ready for the side-by-side reveal? So this is ours. All right, go on, pop it in front. Definitely needed replacing, didn't it?
Oh, there you go. You can see it there.
Yeah.
A big crack.
Ah, that's where it's leaking.
That's where it's leaking. Because what it is air goes through all these, you know, long pipes.
Yeah.
And then all these fins have your, like, you know, the air from driving come through them to
Filter
cool that
through
air
it.
down that's going through it.
Ah, okay, yeah. Yeah, well, nothing's getting through
No.
these, is it? And then if it's leaking
If
out
it's
there,
leaking,
that's where the
bad.
boost,
That's really bad.
the booster's leaking from.
Oh, and there. No wonder it's knackered.
We've got another one.
There.
Ah, another crack.
Proper splits. Right.
But not to worry. Got something shiny to install.
New one to put in.
Looks a bit out of place.
Hoping, well, I would almost assume the hard bit of this job's going to be
What, fitting the bumper back on?
bumper back on.
Yeah, because the actual intercooler was a couple of
not in
clips to get off. And there we have it.
All done.
We have the new intercooler installed. Does look out of place though. Looks extremely shiny. Not too bad of a job. I think the worst bit is left to get the bumper back on.
Yeah.
So hopefully we should have no more black smoke, no more warning light on the dash, and should have our boost back. So let's get this bumper back on. So as you can see, the bumper is nearly back on. She's looking a lot happier and a lot healthier. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please leave us a like and a comment, and don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss out on any future videos. This also really helps our channel. For more, check out our website. We look forward to catching you in the next one.